This is my jig for making the triangular handle. So I cut it to size, put it in, and I'm going to put a router bit here. So I need to cut a hole for the bit to fit in. I'll put it on the router and cut out the handle. Wait for it to stop. And that is the handle. All done. I have 3 already done. 4. Now it's time to round the edges, and I'll be using this handheld router. I'll turn it and finish this part out. Now I'll do the other side of it. Finish this part out. that is it. So the next thing will be to sand it to make it pretty smooth and a lot more nicer to touch. 2 more to go. Alright, so I have applied the oil on it. You can see the finish. The oil helps protect it from moisture loss and moisture absorption to keep it stable. So whenever you wash it, it is better to apply additional oil on it to keep it protected. So that's pretty much all the maintenance you need to do. And once it is rubbed from the knife, as you are cut it, you can resand it and then it will be back to normal. So pretty much. Now these are the heavy duty ones. These are the actual chopping board, unlike the ones that I give it 2 stripes. Those are the cutting board, but this is a chopping board. And how this is different is, you can see it's heavy duty and it can take the impact of, you know, you chopping meat and bones on it. So this is one more heavy duty, and as I apply the oil, you can see the wood grain shows clearly on it, and you can see the beautiful unique wood grain, and that's pretty much how it is. The bottom is all, you can see here I have a, you can see the edge profile here, and the top is rounded, so this makes it easier to put your hand here and then lift it. As for the edge profile at the bottom, but the top is just rounded on the edges to make it feel gentle and nice to hold.